Hi there, students. Heavy duty. Okay, heavy duty is an adjective. If you use the phrase heavy duty to describe something, you're saying it's strong. It's designed to be used a lot, particularly in difficult conditions. It will withstand a lot of use. So, for example, heavy-duty shoes, they're designed to for you to be able to walk a lot in them, and if heavy things fall on them, you don't hurt your feet. So something heavy-duty, it's sturdy, it's strong, it's tough, it's hard-wearing, it doesn't wear out. It's made to withstand hard wear, hard weather. So a uniform should be heavy duty, a heavy duty uniform, heavy duty machinery. Okay, so it's something that lasts, something that's not going to wear out. It can be used a lot. Heavy duty plastic. This is plastic that doesn't break easily. So a heavy duty plastic bag, it's not going to break easily. Or maybe a pair of heavy duty scissors. They're not going to bend. You can cut almost anything with them. So this is durable, industrial strength. It's made to withstand a lot of use. It will withstand strain, bad weather, heat, extreme conditions. It's something that has got more than the normal durability, more than the normal amount of power. It's something that doesn't give up easily. You can also use this word, I guess, for something that's important or serious or impressive. So the students asked me some very heavy duty questions, some very difficult questions. Maybe Europe is getting heavy duty involvement in the war in the Ukraine. You could have a heavy duty vehicle. This is a truck or a bus or something like that is designed for heavy work. You can use it a lot, and you can use it with heavy and difficult things. So heavy duty. Maybe heavy duty competition, extreme competition. Okay, so this is the idea of heavy duty, is something that's made to withstand all conditions. Something that's industrial should be heavy duty. It should be something that you can use again and again and again, and it still carries on without breaking, without doing anything. I think one of the problems is most of the things nowadays available for sale are not heavy duty. They're designed to wear out very quickly. Okay, so heavy duty, designed to withstand stresses and strains. And then more informally, intense, important, a lot of. So I had to do some heavy duty studying, some intense studying. It was a very heavy duty lesson. It was very difficult, intense, hard. I think heavy duty in this way, this is informal. And you're saying it's quite extreme, quite difficult, quite hard. So you're going to have to do some heavy-duty learning if you want to learn all of the phrasal verbs. So notice, heavy-duty, something that withstands, but this is implying you're going to have to withstand difficulty. It's not going to be easy. Okay, so some of my lessons are pretty heavy-duty. Okay, a heavy-duty computer, something that lasts. Let's see, formality. I think a heavy-duty battery, a heavy-duty vehicle, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. But if you're using it to say something that's intense or strong or abundant, yeah, that was a really heavy-duty explanation you gave, then I think I'm going to give this 3.5 informality. Just use it informally. And then origin, well, heavy, and then duty. Your duty is your obligation, something that you're obliged to do, yeah, or the state of being at work, being responsible to do something, to be on duty. And this comes from Middle English duete, yeah, meaning duty. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope it wasn't too heavy duty. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Heavy duty.